everyone, welcome back to As Good As We Can. I am Federica and this Saturday morning I want to make a very yummy breakfast. I love plum cakes. I'm trying to make plum cakes with a lot of ingredients, but today I have some coffee and I don't like to waste it, so I decided to make a plum cake with coffee and chocolate. If you like the idea, just stay here, we will see all the ingredients and we can start to make our plum cake with Gilda, my planetary mixer. So stay there. Okay guys, all the ingredients are ready. We can start with our plum cake. Let's start with the flour. Remember to sift it first. Okay. Let's continue with the sugar. And now the eggs, one by one. And start mixing. The oil. Now the baking powder, this is 16 grams, but I just need 8 grams for this plum cake. Save it for the next time. And let's go. Slowly. Okay guys, the mix is ready. We just have to split the mix in two. So I have two bowls here. I hope I'm saying the right word for this stuff that is ciotola in Italiano. And we have to melt the chocolate and put it in one of the bowls and the coffee in the second one. To melt the chocolate is really easy. You just have to take a pan, put inside a little bit of water, not too much, just a bit, and wait until the water is boiling. Then turn off the stove, put the chocolate in a smaller bowl and let the chocolate melt. Mix a bit with a spoon, but I will show you. So first of all, let's split the mix here and then we will continue. Okay, the chocolate is melting and after we do that, we will put the chocolate in the bowl and we have to cover our plum cake pan with some baking pepper. And yeah, turn on the oven at 180 degrees. It's melting very well.
Do the same with the half mix with the coffee and then here the chocolate. It's so good, it's really good. When the two doughs are ready, place the baking paper in the plum cake pan in this way. Then add the first dough, the one with the coffee, followed by the chocolate one. It's irresistible. I love it. It's so smooth. And with a toothpick, move the dough, making some decoration, mixing the two colors in this way.
Okay guys, our breakfast is ready. Our magic coffee chocolate plum cake. So good. Okay, I will cut it to show you the color inside. Ah, so good. Oh, yes. It's beautiful. So, I hope you liked the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as good as we can, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you have a question, don't worry, just write down a comment and we are always happy to answer. What can I say? Thank you very much for following, guys. Ciao! Ciao, ciao, grazie!